Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to be talking about the Ronin RSC 2. Now this came out about a few days ago if I'm not wrong, so we're going to take it through its paces, see if I would recommend it. Should you get a gimbal for YouTube? Is it necessary, or should you save the $4.99 and keep it in your wallet? Let's go.
Dare to love, so tell me what you're thinking Show me how to dare to love, so tell me what you're thinking Show me how to dare to love.
So we just finished shooting a little bit of kind of like a photography scene with the Ronin S. Now, a couple things to keep in mind. If you've never used the gimbal, it's definitely a technique to it. You have to know when to use what modes, when to tilt or pan, when exactly all that stuff. You kind of have to know how to use this thing. If not, it will be overwhelming. I can tell you that from experience. I had the first version of this, the Ronin RSC, and the only reason I didn't use it that well is because when I started, I had this guy. And obviously this one is a lot smaller than the full frame camera, so I couldn't use my full frame camera or my full frame lenses. So this is why I purchased this. So we just shot kind of like you know, Franklin walking here, kind of going around, kind of him just getting like a nice shot towards this these buildings that are over here. I felt like it was a good way. We're gonna shoot a couple of shots more, and we'll go back inside and kind of explain to you guys how I feel about it. Is it good? Is it bad? Should you buy it? Should you not? So let's go. All right guys, so pretty much I'm gonna just break down the scene for you guys. So pretty much I kind of wanted a scene of like Franklin kind of like driving up to his destination to take the shot. Him taking like a hard foot down, grabbing his camera, closing the door, coming up to the shot, looking around, with like short little clips to kind of tell you different like aspects of the story. And then once he comes close and he takes that shot, the screen goes black. So that's kind of like a small film, I guess you can call it, using the Ronin RSC. So it's actually really cool. This thing, like I said, it's $4.99, so it's an investment. Do you need it for YouTube? You really don't need it for YouTube, honestly. I feel like most cameras have a pretty good in-body stabilization, and if you need even more stabilization, there are lenses with optical steady shot. So that's just something to keep in mind. Because if you have those two, you can get a lot of really good shots. Not exactly with a gimbal, obviously, but you can get close. Now I'm just gonna do a walk around with this camera around Franklin, just kind of to show you guys like how he's holding it and kind of what to expect when you are using a gimbal. All right, guys, so this is pretty much what Franklin looks, it's like holding the Ronin. So if you guys can see right here, I'm just standing right in front of it. And sorry if this is a little shaky. This camera does not have optical steady shot, as you guys can see, because if you wobble it, it'll wobble pretty bad. But so pretty much, Frank, move that hand right there, the bottom one. Yep. It's okay. So right there, those are pretty much the handle, the tripod legs, pretty much. So if you open it, so this is pretty much the handles, and then all right, grip it with this one, and then can just move this one down a little bit. So this right here is pretty much the battery. So right here, what you see right here, this is to nail focus, and to double press this, you go back to the regular how you balanced it from the beginning. So right here you have cables, you have the RS5. These all go USB-C to whatever type of cable your camera uses. You have one motor, the second motor, and the third motor. If you guys notice right here, they changed the lock stuff, the locks from the last gimbal. And then if you see right here, we have the new joystick, the record, what menu you want to be in, and let me try to get a little bit here. We have a small screen, the Ronin S, the Ronin RS instead of a RSC 2. That one will be a little bit bigger LCD screen, but yeah, pretty much this is what it's like with a 24-70 A7R3. And I believe the max capacity on this is around 6 pounds if I'm not wrong. So Franklin, do me a favor, go ahead and double press that shutter button. And then you see guys, it goes back to how you have it when you balance it. Right now, since I took out the polarizer and I also took out the microphone, it's a little bit too front heavy. So I will have to rebalance it. But that's pretty much what the gimbal looks like. I had fun shooting this video for you guys. Make sure you guys smash the like button, share it, comment, and make sure to subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.